225 out of 300.
Brenna, what are you doing?
Why'd you do so bad?
Because
For what?
Notches here. And it wasn't flush here.
You know what I would have done? Cut off the part that's not flush. Made it flush.
She's taking a standard.
What for?
Can I make a splash in the water?
No.
Can I make a splash in the pretend water?
What my daddy?
Like right here, like splash.
No, I don't see that.
Okay, splash. Can I try another one?
Splash.
Brenna, go jump on your trampoline.
How about this?
Oh, look what Grandpa has.
What are you doing in there?
Oh,
What do you tell him?
Hey Dad, I want to play with your golf
Hey,
thing.
Miss Thing, what do you tell him?
Hey Dad, I want to play with the golf thing.
You're
She
welcome.
say thank you.
No.
Good job.
No, honey.
Can you do a trick?
What are you doing in the shed?
Can you land on your bottom?
What are you doing, Brenna?
I'm just.
Wow!
What are you doing, Bren?
Not a play area.
Are you swimming?
Get some video.
Where'd you get those
No,
gloves?
I dumping.
Jumping on what?
I dumping dummy.
The
On the
trampoline?
what?
Not a play area.
On the what?
I know that, but.
Whoa.
I know it's not a play area, but.
What do you want?
Vanessa, Jamie's videotaping.